Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV17. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV17 is making a funny noise, it could indicate a problem with the motor or a blockage somewhere in the system. This noise often occurs due to wear and tear or debris caught in the components. If left unaddressed, it could lead to more significant issues, including decreased suction power or complete failure of the vacuum. To get started on this repair, you will need a few tools. Ensure you have a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, some tweezers, and a replacement motor if necessary. First, ensure your Dyson SV17 is unplugged from the power source to avoid any accidents. Locate the release button on the side of the vacuum and press it to remove the dustbin. This will give you access to the components inside. Next, you will want to remove the screws holding the casing together. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the screws, keeping them in a safe place. As you proceed, gently pry apart the casing using your flathead screwdriver, being cautious not to damage any clips or components. Once you have access to the internal components, locate the motor. It is usually situated towards the back of the vacuum. Check for any visible signs of damage or debris that could be causing the noise. If you spot any obstructions, carefully use your tweezers to remove them. If the motor appears to be the issue, you will need to disconnect it from its connectors. Take note of how the wires are attached, as you will need to reconnect them later. Gently lift the motor out of its housing, applying even pressure to avoid damaging surrounding parts. When replacing the motor, ensure you align it correctly in its housing and reconnect the wires as they were originally. Replace the screws to secure the motor back in place, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is reassembled, carefully put the casing back together, ensuring all clips are aligned properly. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Finally, plug in your Dyson SV17 and turn it on to verify that the noise has been resolved and that it is functioning correctly. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean your vacuum and check for any blockages in the dustbin or filters. Regular maintenance can help ensure your Dyson SV17 runs smoothly and efficiently. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.